Here at Wirecutter, we love the life and color houseplants add to our homes. Those of us who've managed to keep our plants alive have found a few items indispensable for making plant care easier and more fruitful. Editorial assistant Jack Smith uses these Velcro plant ties to help injured plants heal, train them to reach towards the light, or provide some structural support for woody plants that haven't developed a hard trunk yet. These ties are great because they don't require knots or adhesives and are gentle enough to remove easily when you and your plant are ready. Junior staff writer Sabrina Imbler, hey, that's me, depends on this Muji spray bottle for keeping plants hydrated in harsh conditions. Its fine spray won't bend or drown delicate foliage, and unlike many cheap spray bottles, Muji's never squeaks or drips. For a handy reference every new plant parent should have, editor Winnie Yang recommends How Not to Kill Your Houseplant. It covers all the basics, from sourcing to potting to keeping your plants in good health. Most of the book is devoted to specific advice on taking care of 119 popular plants, including ferns, succulents, air plants, and more. Winnie also recommends a watering globe to keep your soil from drying out. Watering the right amount is tricky and even harder to get right if you travel a lot, are forgetful, or have high-maintenance plants. Fill the globe with water, upend it in the stake, and insert the two into the planter to instantly cut down on the time devoted to watering. For an indoor herb garden or to keep succulents from dying over the winter, Editor-in-Chief Jackie Chang recommends this Aoki LED grow light. It clamps onto any desk or shelf, and it's easy to point in the right direction. Staff writer Leslie Stockton loves taking any opportunity to add a little whimsy to her day, which is why she decorates her houseplants with animal figurines. The ones from Schleck are well-made and super cute. Production team lead Anam Swanson upped her watering can game with the IKEA Bitter Gurkha. Its high water capacity, sturdy handle, and narrow profile make it practical, and it's good-looking enough that you won't mind keeping it out as a reminder to top up your plants. Tech and hobby writer Sina Brewster loves these colorful planters as a plastic alternative to terracotta clay pots. They're inexpensive, come with a saucer for catching overflow, and are easy to move around because they're so light. New Formats editor Michael Zhao preempts root rot by making a soil mix that drains better than off-the-shelf all-purpose potting soils. When he's short on time, his favorite shortcut is using pre-mixed cactus soil, whose higher sand content keeps pots from getting swampy and prevents root rot in all plants, not just cacti. For more useful tools to make your houseplant sing, check out the link in the description or head over to wirecutter.com. And don't forget to subscribe.